Hey friends, welcome back to your own channel. I'm here again with new interesting video which you might be waiting for, right? So in the previous video we have done with download and installation of node.js and VS Code, right? If you did not watch that video, I would recommend to watch that first and then we can proceed with this video. So I'll attach the link of that previous video in descriptions. Okay, so let's continue with part 2, Cypress installation. Okay, so what if I tell you Cypress installation is just a piece of cake? Yes, it is actually. I'll show you. First, please check if node.js and npm is installed in your machine. So for checking that, how will you do that? Let me show you. Okay, so open command prompt and type the command node version to check if node is installed in your machine, right? So once you run the command, you will be able to see the node version only if node.js is installed in your machine. Okay, in same way we will check that whether npm is also installed in your machine. So how will you do that? We'll type the command npm version to check if npm is installed. So once you run the command, you will see npm version in command prompt window. This is just to making sure if node and npm is installed in our machine. Fine. Okay, now let's just create a folder for project. You can create it anywhere in your file directory, and after that open VS Code, and once it is open, go to file in the left top corner and click on it, and then find option for open folder and click on it, and open the same folder which we have created for project. Now we have got empty project open, and for installation we need to run some commands, and for that we need to have either of the things, command prompt or terminal. So let's run the command in terminal itself. Okay, so open the terminal from the top as you can see. If not, you can click on 3 dots on top and then you will find terminal option. Okay, once terminal is open, we will be in our project folder. So first we need to get package.json file, and for that we will run the command. So first type npm init and hit enter. It will create package.json. So before that it is asking package name, which we can give any name. Then it is asking version, let it be by default. Then description, we can keep this empty for now. Index.js, we can keep it empty. Test command, keep it empty. Git repository, just keep it empty for now. Author, you can give your name. License not required as of now. Now we see JSON code and it is displayed. If it is okay, we can say yes and hit enter. So once it is done, it will create package.json folder, not folder, I mean package.json file. Okay, so you can go to project and check that. Okay, now we are ready to install Cypress. So if you are installing Cypress first time, then run the command npm install --save -dev. Okay, it will start installing, and after few seconds and minute it will complete the installation process. Okay, so now Cypress is installed successfully. Now we need to launch our Cypress application. So how we can do that? We can execute command npx cypress open. It will open the application. Now you can see end-to-end testing and component testing. So as a QA, we will click on end-to-end testing. Component testing is used by developer for their component level, code level testing, right? So they do that. It's not required for us. We'll just click on end-to-end testing. Okay, so once you click on end-to-end, it will open some configuration file, and then click on continue. Then whatever browser support by Cypress, it will show here. Okay, so we will select Chrome and click on start end-to-end testing in Chrome. Then it will open a window where you will find two options, one for example and another for create new empty spec. Okay, so with this we have completed the installation, and now we can continue with Cypress scripting part. Okay, so I think the installation part is already done. Hope you find this video informative and helpful. Please type in the comment if you like this video, and please share this with your friends so that it might help him to start with Cypress, right? Thank you so much for watching this video.